Okay, welcome back, and it's been a very long time, so let's just get straight onto the screen. So, as you can see here, we're doing Microsoft DOS 7.10, and I'm liking this new splash screen here, so let's just unpause it. And so I'm now at the DOS prompt, so let's see what I can do. I know dir, which lists all the files, and cd, whatever file you want to go to. So say DOS 7.1, and now I'm in that folder and I can list all the files, and there's lots of system files. On cd dot dot to get out of it. So that's basic navigation in DOS, in the DOS command line interface. Now let's see if I can create a folder. mkdir or make directory. And then what do I want to call the folder? Let's just call it folder. And it hasn't given me any errors, so I'm assuming that's correct. So if I list them again, and yeah, there it is, folder. I haven't even captured my mouse yet. Whoops. But anyway, so that's how you make a folder, and I think you can also go MD if you want to do real shorthand stuff. Let's call this other folder, and I think it can support long file names as well. I'm not sure. Let's check. Or not. Maybe. Let's just, yeah, not sure what that's supposed to be, but it says other folder there. I don't know why that is. Anyway, let's just delete that. So dir to remove dir, and to remove folder and directory listing. Now let's try and use the real shorthand. So I think it's RD, super shorthand I'll call it, and other folder. That also seems to have worked. Let's check it. Yep, so you've got the shorthand, the super shorthand, and I don't even think you can write out, like literally write out make directory, but you've got shorthand and super shorthand. Anyway, this is not just about the DOS command line interface. What we're going to do it about as well is the DOS shell. So to access DOS shell, I'm pretty sure you just type in DOS shell. Oh, and there we are. And I like this mouse. And that screen isn't really capturing it properly. I'll just try and fix this. Let's see, what do I think of this? It certainly looks like an old graphical interface, but okay, so I've got some options there. Let's see, can we create a new folder in this? Okay, so it doesn't call them folders, it calls them directories, just like in the command line. So let's call it folder, because that's what I called the other one. And I can't think of any other names. Okay, so folder. Oh, and it looks like it's there, so we've got the directory tree. Then we've got the stuff inside the folder. Then we've got active task lists. Is that like the taskbar where you, because it sounds like it can it makes it sound like it can multitask, but I didn't even know it could multitask. I mean, is it like where you have something minimized and you have something else running, so you have, instead of the taskbar, you have the active task list? I don't know, I'm not sure. Then you've got main, so I guess this is all your main applications. Okay, so let's try and open the editor from here. Okay, so enter the name of the file to edit. To start MS-DOS without opening a file, press enter. Okay, so let's make a folder, a file, sorry, and let's call it tasks. what happened. If I created that, assume I created it in my folder because that's what I had selected. And the folder that seems to be empty. Let's look in here. Let's see, I guess it's in alphabetical order, so not really seeing it. No, it doesn't seem to be in there. So I'm not sure where that went, if it even created it. In fact, I don't think it did create it. So I'm not sure what's happening here, but yeah, that, I don't know, let's try QBasic. Let's call it test. It's doing the same thing, okay. This is really weird. What if I don't put it in a file now, if I just press enter? Still same thing. DOS command prompt. What? Okay, I clicked off the page. Sorry. What's this 10th thing? Nothing in there. Disk utilities. Whoops, I misclicked. This mouse moves quite funny. On arrays, can you like, is that like the recycle bin? Let's see what that is, because it sounds like the recycle bin, like you want to restore stuff from the recycle bin. I didn't actually type in any command or file name. I'm assuming DOS has been programmed incorrectly to type in incorrect file names. It is strange. Okay. Disk edit. Bad command or file name. Well, I just clicked on what was already there. Okay, so not having too much luck with DOS shell, I must admit. Let's create our task list without DOS shell, because it's not really helping us. So, I think DOS shell has a few glitches. Anyway, let's go, I think you go edit, edit, and put tasks. So you want to edit the tasks document, and if it's not there, it'll create it. Okay, so do I have a mouse? Yes, I still have my mouse. That's the one good thing, because I don't like command line stuff. So let's see. Tasks. Nice capital heading thing. And the first task would be folders, because we looked around folders, created folders, stuff like that. Let's just call it folders. Second task is doing this. Create a task list. Edit. Because we might be doing it with some other word editing program later, but first I just want to use the default stuff and see how it is out of the box. Let's install some games. So DOS games. So for the games, I thought we might play Doom because it was incredibly popular for its time. Dangerous Dave, which is like a platformer, early platformer thing. Okay, so I've opened up DOS shell and now I think it's in drive D. Yes, it looks like it's in drive D, and I've just inserted the Doom disk. So let's try and install install.bat. I'm assuming it would be, but the executable maybe. Well, dat file's not going to do it, and 1 and 2 files are going to do it. So I'm assuming this is because of that DOS shell problem. I thought this might happen, but I'm not going to be able to use DOS shell in this, which is going to be quite unfortunate, because I was looking forward to a graphical DOS rather than the text DOS that everyone knows about. Anyway, it looks like it's kept me in D drive, so I don't have to go type in D like that, even though I did as an example. Directory listing, and let's go install. Now I don't think you need to put this file extension on. Let's see. No, you don't. And there's no mouse. Which drive do you want to copy to? Let's do it in the C drive. Copy to name. I'm guessing it's C / Dooms. No, let's just go with Doom. Now I guess you press enter. Yes, I want to create it. It's working. I think it's loading. Oh, I needed to press something for it to load, apparently. So, okay, let's go with new game. I assume it's enter. Whichever, so knee deep in the dead, the shores of hell, or Inferno. Let's just go with the first one, because I don't think it'll actually let us do the second and third ones, because it's the shareware version. Okay, so so this is like levels, so it's like easy, and then it's super hard, as in nightmare hard. Let's just go the default middle one, hit me plenty. Okay, so let's see how this works. Oh, I'm moving the mouse and it's working, except it doesn't really work because then my mouse moves out of the virtual machine window. But at least I have mouse. Oh, and if you move your mouse up, if you like scroll up, it's like you're moving forward. That's pretty cool, because you usually just look around with the mouse, but I guess you can't look up and down in this. So I guess that's how they do it like that. So if I'm moving my mouse forward and the guy moves forward, but it doesn't really work because my mouse just leaves the VirtualBox window. But anyway, let's just use the arrow keys instead. And yeah, so the arrow keys are working. And yes, you can click fire. Is it like, oh yes, you clicked fire. And I think for the keyboard you can press, yeah, control to fire. Let's go up here. Oh, some armor. More armor. Nice mountains outside. Pretty blurry mountains actually. Let's look around here. Oh, armor. And let's see, where do we go now? Let's look around here. And let's go around here. Oh, what? There's a door. How do I open the door? Okay, you press spacebar to open doors. Oh. Shoot. Die. Goodbye. Shoot. 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 And let's go through here. Oh! That guy almost blended in with the background. Okay. Wow, what's here? Some sort of green sea. Oh! Oh, no, no. Ah! What's he shooting at me? Like a ball of fire or something? Shoot that guy. And can't mouse up, so I assume you go in the direction. Don't hit me, ball of fire. Yay, thank you. Oh no, he's shooting again. Let's just, this is going to take ages, so let's just go over here. And no. Oh, it hit me somehow, I think. Come on. Is this working? Is he losing health? Oh, yes he is. Okay, good. He's dead. Yay! picked up something. Picked up. And now you press spacebar again to open these doors. Oh, another one of these guys. Very blurry graphics, I must admit, but yeah, I guess it was pretty good for its time. Whoa, that looks like a health pack, helmet, and now, that's his exit. Does it say exit? Yeah, this is the exit, and just so you don't shoot the exit. Good to know. Oh, right, okay. Oh, lots of helmets in here. Wait, how do I exit it? Because apparently this is the exit, but I don't see the exit. I wonder if you press this switch or something. Let's try it. Oh wow, it worked. Okay. Hangar finished. Kills. Come on, what are my kills? Is it 100%? Awesome. Okay. Items. 27%. Not so good. 0% secret. Okay, I don't even know what the secret is. Let's just end this. Hang on, how do I escape? I'm assuming, yep. Quit game. Are you sure you want to quit this great game? Okay, you press right exit to quit to DOS. Oh. Ooh. Sure, don't order Doom. Okay, I won't. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's printed me out some advertising on my screen here. Okay. Sit back with your milk and cookies and let the universe go to hell. Right. Let's just clear the screen. So, CLS. Pretty sure it's. Yep, that's clear the screen. So I know how to clear the screen. That's good. And now let's install Dangerous Dave. In fact, I don't think Dangerous Dave is one you need to install. I think it just it exists on the disk, but let's copy it over to my hard drive anyway. Okay, so I've just inserted the Dangerous Dave disk. It's just with Dave and it's in D drive. So I've given up on the DOS shell for now. Doesn't seem to be working. But anyway, let's go with let's do a directory listing, see what's in here. Dave.execute, I'm assuming. I don't think this says install it. No, it doesn't have an installer, so it goes incredibly fast. But yeah, let's quit. And now let's do a manual install by going to C drive. cd dot get out of there, directory listing. Now let's use our folder skills. Let's delete that folder. Okay. Remove directory folder. What? It's remove directory, isn't it? Sure it is. Okay. RMDI folder. What? Okay. Well, let's not remove the folder. Anyway, let's create a new folder. Okay, dir. And let's call it. Just call it Dave. And now let's go cd Dave. I don't think caps lock or anything matters here. Actually no, I want to go to D drive. Now let's go copy Dave.execute, and then I think you do the file path, so you go C slash save. Enter. One file copied, I should say. So it's going into Dave, and there we go. So why has it come up with the high scores list? I haven't even played it yet. Okay, so let's see. Can I? The arrow keys are not working. Let's try W, A, C, D. Nope. Wonder if like the arrow key number keys will work. Oh yeah, good. I don't have the number lock on. Oh wow, how is he moving so fast? I'm like hyper speed or something. Eh, this is impossible. This is literally impossible. It's like a way to take down speed or something. Oh, I got it. Okay. How is this possible? I keep like going too fast and just falling into the flames. Now I've got no lives left. And I died, okay. This game is literally impossible.
Now for a review of the impossible game. Need I say any more, but let's just review Doom while we're at it. It was pretty good. I could feel the gameplay, the navigation. The controls felt good too, but the only thing that was letting me down was the incredibly pixelated graphics. But I understand that due to hardware limitations and stuff, they couldn't really do any better. So I acknowledge that. Anyway, now let's try and do more advanced text editing.
Okay, so I'm now on Word Setup for Word 5.5 for DOS, and I think this was released in 1991, but I will put a text saying if that's correct or not. If continue, set up hard disk, install new version. I didn't know I had one, and why would I install on D? Because it's just the CD. I got the setup.execute off. So C, it sounds good. Let's see if they have New Zealand here. Yep. Okay. What? Let's just go with that, even though it's really VirtualBox. I have no idea what to put here. I'll just go with the default. No, I don't want to install printed drivers. Spell checker, might as well. Oh, might as well. No, I don't need this. Yeah, update the mouse driver. No, let's just leave everything default. Yay! Type your full name or the company that purchased the software. Okay. Don't change the name. Update the system files. It's in setup, so it should all be working now. I'm not really liking that random dot there. Can I do anything? I'm stuck. It's crashed my virtual machine. Let's try a restart. Okay, so not really liking this color scheme. Reminds me of edit program, but right, that's got a mouse. What options do we have here? Okay. Ribbon. This has a ribbon. Not quite like the modern ribbon we have with, I think it was introduced in Word 2007. But, or you can insert a picture. Don't have a picture. This is a test of Word 5.5 on DOS. Now let's see, can we highlight text here? Oh yes we can. And we can position it. And we can make it, what's this do? Not sure what that does. And we can format it. Can't have Word without fonts, surely. Okay. Hang on. Oh, it was in the ribbon, I think. What? Do we have no other fonts, apparently? We don't have any fonts. Right. And oh, I can make it big. Wow, I don't have any other options. Maybe type it in. So if I wanted a 20, need to highlight it best. 20. What? Why is it now a pinky orange color? Okay. Now it's gone yellow. What the heck? I think there's something wrong here. Surely, how is this supposed to be yellow? Now it's green and blue. So, yeah, that's Word. I need to relearn how to use Word.
So, in conclusion, unless you have a computer like this, probably don't want to install DOS for 2014. But if you do, then at least you can do folder file management, gaming, and word processing. Thanks for watching.